Blizzard, got some Hello Kitty, Godzilla versus Reptar. Walk into my Jeep like, what up, I got a monkey. I'm so happy, got some ponies from the toy store. I found a pink dog, then I opened my umbrella. It's 2 o'clock, gotta play date with Cinderella. Dora, teach me how to speak in Espanol. Hello Kitty's gonna let me rock and roll. I got some whole cans in the 302. Then I found some human hands in a Pikachu. Buzz. Hey, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So I grabbed a bouncy ball and threw it over my head. I found a really angry bird and then I tried to steal Fred. These babies on the box make me really